we decided to smoke our own turkey wings because we're going to turn this into turkey stock. Yep, everyday cooking, Dad, cooking every day. All right, guys, welcome in, welcome back. Today we're doing our smoked turkey wings. You can buy them already smoked if you like, but I got a Weber controller, I got the heat controller, I got a kettle drill. I'm gonna do it my own, and it's Sunday. I got nothing much else to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and smoke these down at 225. We got our Weber thermometer, and we're gonna monitor everything while we watch the games. All right, so we're gonna get this to 225, and that's it. All right, guys, so it's been about 2 hours and 15 minutes or so. We've been rocking between 260 and around 212. Let me just pull out this app and see if you guys can see this. Yeah, so if you could see here on this app, I don't know if you could see that. See, this was the lowest we've ever been. We've been steadily climbing. So I'm gonna go ahead and check this out and see where we're at. But let me grab the, my thermometer. All right, guys, so let's take a look. Now we're just smoking these wings. There's no salt, there's no pepper, nothing. I just want to see what temp it is. We just want to cook it to temp. 169, 170. That's right to temp, guys. It's 145 here. 153. I'm gonna let this go. This one here seems to be more done than the rest, maybe because I'm hitting the bone. 175. 171. I'm gonna let these go another 3 or 4 minutes. You know what? Let me bring you guys in. Here we go. That's been a nice smoked wings. And we're on our last piece of wood anyway, so let me get some thumbnails. All right, guys, so I'm gonna just let this go another couple of degrees, and then we'll be done here, right? So we're down at 152. I'm gonna give this 10 minutes or so. All right, guys, we're back outside. It's been about 5 minutes, and we're here. Just gonna take this temperature. 180. This one was running hot anyway, right? 180. All right, guys, these are coming out, and then we'll finish this off tomorrow when we make our stock. So that's it. We got our smoked turkey wings. And guys, this all costs about, I think I paid $12 for all 4 of these wings. So, you know, hey, for what it's worth. I'll look up the price to see what if you bought it already smoked. But hey, we did it ourselves, right? Easy schmeezy. All right, guys, it's day 2. And we smoked our turkey yesterday, right? And today we're gonna make stock. We're gonna use a pressure cooker, and we're gonna make some stock. And guys, this is gonna be easy schmeezy. I'm gonna cut up these vegetables and we'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. So we got everything cut up. I'm gonna just separate these a little bit when I put them on the tray, because we're gonna roast these off in our pan, right? And you see how beat up this pan is. I use this for high heat cooking. So first I'm just gonna spray it down, right? Spray it down with some canola oil. You know, it's a little bit higher heat than olive oil. So we'll spray this down. And guys, I want to get any juices that come, so I'm not putting down any aluminum foil. And that's it. These are going in. These are going to go in the pan. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're going to roast these off, right? We're going to roast these off, 400-degree oven. I'm going to say I'm going to check these back in 15 minutes, and then I'll come back. I'll tell you how long it took me to roast these off. I wonder if I should hit these with some olive oil. No, olive oil will probably burn. You know what? I'm gonna just give it a quick skirt of this canola oil. You help it brown up a little bit. All right, so this is going in the oven. All right, guys, so our vegetables are roasted off. Probably could have went a little darker on them, but being this is like the first time I'm actually doing it, I think I'm gonna start it here. I'll probably do another batch later, and I'll take those a little bit darker. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and go to our pressure cooker, and we're gonna put that on saute. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go down with just a little bit of avocado oil. I'm just gonna cut the turkey up a little bit. We just want to try and get some of the flavors out of this turkey, right? I mean, when we're done with this, it's going to be no flavor left in it. We're going to pretty much boil everything out of it. Guys, I can smell the smoke coming off of this right now. All right, guys, so this is all sauteed off, and I'm gonna go in with the vegetables now. Put them all in there. And our fill line is right there, so now we're gonna just fill this up with water. All right, guys, so now in with some water. Probably gonna need 2 of these, I think. 1.5. I'll get some more. All right, let's take it right up to the max line. All right, guys, so now we're gonna put the top on. All right, guys, so on we go with the top. All right, so we're gonna set it to pressure cook, high, and we're gonna go 1 hour. High for 60 minutes, start. All right, guys, we'll be back in an hour. All right, guys, so it's been over an hour now. We let this sit for about 15 minutes after the 60 minutes went by. I'm just gonna go ahead and release the, whew, that always gets me. Release the steam on this. And then I'm gonna open it up and I'll let this die down naturally and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so this is what we got. Now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna strain this off and I'm gonna get myself set up to strain this off and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, guys, we're gonna see if we could do this without getting this stuff all over the place. And let's see what we can do. I'm pouring it directly into that basket. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm almost trying to drop this thing here. All right. And that's pretty much it for this, right? We're gonna drain this off. And we got our chicken stock. Guys, now if I'll do this twice, right? If I do this twice in a day, look how much chicken stock we got there. Now, this is gonna be way better than anything you get in the store. I'm gonna let this drain off in the pot we cooked it in. Let's take a swing in there. All right, guys, look at that. Huh? All right, guys, so look, there is no salt, there's no pepper, there's no nothing. It's a blank canvas, right? So it should just taste pretty bland, but it's flavorful at the same time. All right, guys, so now it's next day, and this is what our soup's looking like, right? Now, I'm gonna freeze this up for later in the week and later in the month, and I got my turkey stock, right? I'm just gonna take a measuring cup and pour them in, right? And like if I was making something like, you know, some string beans or some cabbage, this would be more than enough right here. This would be more than enough. And if I needed to, I could add some water to this, right? So I'm just gonna fill these cups up. Now, my freezer is not all that big. I don't have that much space in it because I got a ton of stuff in there. So I'm only gonna probably be able to do 2 or 3 of these at a time. So this is gonna take me a couple of days to freeze these off. So you see how much I got here? This is gonna be a lot, guys. So I'm gonna finish this up and I'll show you when it's frozen. All right, guys, so here we are in the last stage. We have our stock, the broth, frozen in the cups. So I'm just gonna run this under hot water, and then I'm gonna put them in the Ziploc bag, and that's it. I'll be right back when I have it all filled up. All right, guys, so we're all done, all right? We got our chicken stock all lined up, ready to go. We just pull one out of the bag, and that's it. I'm gonna get this one in its own bag, and yeah, that's it, guys. That's the end of this video. Everyday cooking, Dad, cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes, and let's get cooking.